Welcome to our channel dedicated to helping you discover the best products out there. If you're looking for top-notch PC cases, you're in the right place. We upload quality videos daily, aiming to provide you with the finest insights into various products. Today, we're diving into the world of PC cases, showcasing the absolute best options to elevate your setup. From sleek designs to optimal airflow, we've got it all covered. So, hit that subscribe button and join our community to stay updated on the latest and greatest. Let's explore the world of PC cases together. I'm sure you'll find something that suits your style. Number 1. Be Quiet. Silent Base 601. Be Quiet. Silent Base 601 is a huge 10 kg case from a German brand. Almost entirely made of metal. There is also a subversion with a glass viewing window, but because of it, the main idea of engineers is partially lost: complete silence. In the DEF version, all panels are sheathed from the inside with soft noise-absorbing material of centimeter thickness. The kit comes with two baskets for 3.5-inch drives, the first is double, and the second is single. 5 more single baskets can be purchased separately. Soft silicone pads completely dampen HDD vibration. This makes the case perfect for multi-drive storage, such as file sharing within a large office or professional 4K video editing. Reason to buy: fits the largest possible EATX motherboard, noise-absorbing coating on the panels, two 14cm fans, slots for 8 HDDs. Reason not to buy: a lot of weight may not be to everyone's liking. Number 2. Corsair 4000D. Introducing the Corsair 4000D Airflow Tempered Glass Mid-Tower ATX PC case in stylish black, the perfect blend of form and function for your gaming setup. This sleek case boasts a spacious interior, allowing for easy hardware installation and optimal airflow management. The tempered glass side panel lets you showcase your components in all their glory, while the efficient cable routing system keeps your build looking clean and organized. With room for multiple cooling options and versatile storage configurations, the Corsair 4000D Airflow ensures your components stay cool and performance ready. Reason to buy: upgrade your gaming rig with the Corsair 4000D Airflow for its sleek design, spacious interior, efficient cooling, and impressive cable management. Reason not to buy: if you're seeking a smaller form factor or require specialized features, the Corsair 4000D Airflow's mid-tower size might not be the best fit for your needs. Number 3. FSPC MT350. The FSPC MT350 is still a relatively compact sub-$100 PC case that still fits a full-size ATX motherboard with 7 PCIe expansion slots. The only exceptions are wide ATX for semi-server Xeon processors. It weighs about 6 kilograms, which, perhaps, is the golden mean for midi-tower cases, no longer a rattling tin can, but still not a risk of pulling the lower back. The viewing window is made for the entire height of the case, and there is a cutout in the casing for the power supply. The maximum allowable PSU length is 17 centimeters, some modular kilowatts may not fit. The height of the processor tower is equal to the standard 16 centimeters, and the length of the video card is up to 35 centimeters. A 240mm water block is placed on top, and 360mm in the front. Reason to buy: a full-fledged ATX motherboard is placed, relatively small dimensions, 3 fans, an LED strip and an LED controller. Reason not to buy: CBO does not fit 280mm. Number 4. Cooler Master TD300 Mesh. Cooler Master Box TD300 Mesh is a compact mini-tower computer case for mid-sized micro ATX motherboards. Its front panel is made in the shape of a fine mesh polygonal mesh, which reduces intake air noise and better retains fine dust. Behind it is a pair of 12cm sickle flow fans with customizable lighting. They come with an ARGB 5V hub to control both RPM and glow. Tempered glass only covers the top of the case where the motherboard is located. The compartment for the power supply is made DEF, so boasting a kilowatt, alas, will not work. The top panel is removed entirely, which allows you to fix the CBO radiator on it without injuring your fingers. Long 360mm drop Cs do not fit, but wide 280mm ones fit. Reason to buy: medium format micro ATX, transparent viewing window, removable top for CBO mounting, 2 ARGB fans with a control hub. Reason not to buy: there is no USB Type-C on the interface panel. Number 5. ADATA XPG Defender. The ADATA XPG Defender is a spacious PC case that fits even the largest EATX motherboards with sockets for 2 Intel Xeon or AMD Threadripper processors. It weighs 7.6 kilograms, which is quite consistent with the increased size. The video card can be installed both horizontally and vertically, but in the second case, you will have to buy a stand and a cable yourself. A 360mm drop C is placed in front, and 280mm on top. Moreover, in terms of the area of heat dissipation by the radiator, 280 is much closer to 360 than to 240mm. By default, 3 XPG Vento 120 fans without illumination are installed. There is no RIOBAS to control their speed, you need to connect it to the motherboard and use it to adjust the speed. Reason to buy: fits the largest possible EATX motherboard, magnetic front panel, vertical installation of the video card, 3 12cm fans. Reason not to buy: there are no vibration absorbing HDD pads,